Having a small workshop result like some to have a full-size cabinet making table saw. But with my Dewalt table saw, I'm going to provide you some series of jigs and fixtures. The first one here is going to be a zero clearance. After making cuts on your saw, you notice that you're going to have wood tear out. And what the zero clearance does is actually eliminates that. If you see here the yellow piece of metal that forms around the blade, that's what we're going to replace with a zero clearance insert. Basically, we're going to reduce the clearance between the blade and the yellow fixture, the insert that goes around it to protect it. This simple modification to your table saw just ends up giving you smoother cuts and less tendency of wood chipping and tear outs. Here I'm using my throw plate as a template to set the width of my zero clearance between the blade and using the rip fence as a guide. Since I'm doing this, I decided that I'm going to make, rather than one, I'm going to make three. Here, just using the existing throw plate to set the radiuses for my ends. I repeated this step 2 more times. Tools I use for this project are my table saw, bandsaw, a portable jigsaw, files, drills, orbital sander, and paint. For my quantity of 3 zero inserts, I repeated this a total of 3 times. I glued this clip on the end to make sure that this wouldn't accidentally pop up. That completes my project with my 3 zero inserts ready to be used with my Dewalt table saw.